So if you just booked a strategy call with us, or you're just thinking about it, this video is going to save us about 20 minutes on the call, because the number one question we get before we get on a call is that what is it exactly that we do, how does it work, and what am I actually buying? And honestly, that is a completely fair question. So in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how our done for you patient acquisition system works, step by step. So by the time that we get on the call together, you already have a full picture. No fluff, no hype, just exactly how it works. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Ruben, and I'm one of the founders of Patient to Thrive. And we're a patient acquisition agency based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And since 2021, we have been doing one thing: building and operating a complete done-for-you patient acquisition system for med spa owners across the US, the UK, and Canada. And we have worked with over 45 clinics across different markets, different specialties, and different revenue levels. And during that time, we have learned one thing very clearly: the med spa owners who are winning right now are not winning because they have a better treatment or a better location or a better team. They are winning because they have a system, a predictable, repeatable front-end system that fills their calendar with qualified, committed patients monthly, all without having to think about it. And that's exactly what we build, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how. Before I walk you through the system, let me just make sure that we're on the same page about the problem it solves. Most med spas are dealing with some version of the same three problems. The first problem is inconsistent patient flow. Some months are great, other months the calendar has gaps, and no one knows why or how to fix it. The second problem is that the lead quality. They run ads or they work with an agency, and whenever a lead comes in, the leads are unqualified and they ghost before booking an appointment. And the last problem is the no-shows. Patients who books and confirm but ends up not showing up. No call, no message, just gone. And the appointment slot is wasted. Does that sound familiar? Because a lot of time it does. That's exactly what our system is designed to eliminate. All three of those problems done for you. And let me show you how. Our system has 7 components. Every client gets all 7. Nothing is optional because the system only works when all of those pieces are working together. Step 1 is the clinic audit. Before we build anything, we analyze your clinic specifically. We look at your current offer, your market, your front desk process, where your pipeline is leaking. And most agencies, they skip this step and go straight to running ads. Because if we don't know exactly where your clinic is losing patient, and if we're guessing with your money, that is not something that we do, and it is not smart. Step 2 is the offer that we build. We craft what we call an irresistible offer, and this is not a discount or a promotion. It is a specific outcome-focused offer that speaks directly to the patient who's already looking for the service that you provide and makes the decision to book feel completely obvious. And the right offer changes everything. The wrong offer means even the best ads won't convert. Step 3 is the funnel and ad creation. We build your patient acquisition funnel and create your ad content. We write the scripts and we handle all the creative direction. We fly into your clinics for all of your ad creative. And if you don't want to be on camera, we have our own in-house US-based models that we can use. Every ad is built with one goal: to attract qualified patients and filter out the unqualified one before they ever reach your calendar. Step 4 is the patient advertising launch. We launch your campaigns on Meta. And here's something very important. We don't optimize for leads, but we optimize for booked appointments. Most agencies run ads and measure success by how many leads came in, but we measure success by how many qualified patients are sitting in your chair. And that is a fundamentally different approach, and it's exactly why our results look completely different. Step 5. Step 5 is the setter team deployment, and this is the part that most agencies don't have, and it's one of the most important things that needs within your offer. It's our trained in-house setters that calls every single lead that comes in within 5 minutes of it arriving. Qualify the lead against your criteria. They book them directly into your calendar and collect a deposit and even a card on file before the appointment is confirmed. The last part is critical. No deposit means no booking, because a patient who has put money down to hold their appointment normally shows up. A patient who books for free, they ghost, right? And your front desk doesn't have to chase leads. Your staff doesn't have to follow up. Our team handles all of it for you. The 6th step is the no-shows elimination system. Once a patient is booked, our automated reminder system kicks in. Strategic reminders at the right intervals that keeps the appointment top of mind and the patient's commitment high. This alone reduces no-show dramatically for every clinic that we work with. Step 7 is a reactivation campaigns. Every clinic has a database of leads who showed interest in the past and went cold. Past patients who haven't come back, and people who clicked in an ad, they filled out a form and disappeared. Our automated reactivation campaigns go back into that database and turn those dead leads into booked patients, all without spending another dollar on ads. 7 steps, all done for you, all running, all at the same time. And now I want to be honest with you about who this is for and who this isn't for, because we're very selective about who we work with, and I'd rather tell you the truth up front than waste your time on a call. Our system works best for established medical spa owners doing at least $25,000 a month. We need to have the staff and the capacity to handle new patients coming in, because our system is going to bring them. And if your front desk is already overwhelmed or your treatment rooms are already fully booked, we need to talk about capacity before we talk about acquisition. You also need to be willing to invest in paid advertising. Our system requires an ad budget to run. We don't do organic only, because organic is unpredictable and your patient flow shouldn't be unpredictable. And if you're at that stage, you feel like your clinic is an established clinic, you're ready to scale, and you're willing to invest, this is what we're going to build for you, is a patient acquisition machine that runs every month, all without you having to manage it. That's the goal, and that's exactly what we do. And if you want to see what that looks like for your clinic specifically, that's what our strategy call is for. So if you already have a call book, I'll see you on the call. Come ready to talk about your clinic specifically. The more context you give us, the more specific we can be. And if you haven't booked a call, the link is below. We only work with 1 clinic per location. So if your market is still open, it's still worth a grab before your spot is gone. I'll see you on the call.